love you. Now you set my soul on fire. It is not just a little spark. It is a flame. A big roaring flame.